Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to wrap a present or a gift like a pro. First of all, we will wrap a watch box, and then I will tackle something a bit more challenging, an awkwardly shaped little handbag for my daughter. Let's dive in. Step 1, you place the gift on the wrapping paper to measure how much you need. Hold the edges on all sides like this to ensure that there is enough paper to cover the entire box. Step 2, cut the paper to the size that is required. Step 3, get 3 pieces of clear tape ready. For this small box, 3 pieces should be enough, but for wider packages you might need more. Step 4, you fold the gift in the middle of this paper. If there is any overlapping paper, fold it neatly inside like this to create a clean edge. This helps avoid any odd, uneven lines as well. Step 5, secure the folded edge with tape. Step 6, check how much paper you need on the edge here, just so it covers it there, and then the rest trim it off. Step number 7 is you fold the middle part neatly down like this, and then the edges here like so. And you see, so it's nice and sharp here. And then you fold these side bits inwards. So yeah, you fold the side part here down, and then the other side. And then you either fold it down fully, or you fold it like this on the corner and down, and take the sellotape and tape it up like this, and that's it. And step number 8 is that you repeat the same thing on the other side. You fold this down here, nice and sharp, and here, and then you fold these in again. And then the end here, I will fold up again here. And then we take the clear plastic tape again, so the sellotape, and we close it up again here at the other side, like so. And there you have it, a nice and neatly wrapped present. And you can apply this to all sorts of present gift sizes. And also I will show you just quickly what you can do with the leftover paper. You can make out of this leftover paper a little card that goes on top of the gift present box. You just cut out a little card here, very simple. This wrapping paper is quite good, it has these lines behind it, but yeah, you can just cut a shape of a card and then put it with the sellotape on top of the box and write the recipient's name inside the card. So yeah, you take the sellotape and put it on the corner there, and then yeah, here you can write the name. And now I will show you how to wrap up this more awkwardly shaped present gift. It's a little handbag that my daughter will get from her grandparents this year, but the handle is quite an edge, and if you just wrapped it up like that and shipped it, then it can easily break the wrapping paper. So be mindful of that. Anything hard, anything out of shape is good to use this method. So now I've just put it back into its original bag, and then I will take some wrapping paper. You can also use leftover wrapping paper, that's the best, or bubble wrap paper as well. You just take a piece and then squeeze it up and put it around the handle before you wrap it up. It's sort of anything sharp, anything hard edged, you do this method. You take the squeezed up paper or bubble wrap and put it around these parts, and so it can't cut through the gift wrapping paper. So let's do that quickly here. You see I'm just squeezing it up, and then I'm putting it around the handbag handle, and then you put it loosely around the handle here, the edged part. I always try not to put sellotape onto the actual gifts because connected to the paper, because often people are excited if they just pull the paper. The gift sometimes, not like this, is in a bag, but if it's a box of something like a toy or electronic and you might want to return it, it's good not to put any sellotape onto the actual box. So yeah, I'm just cutting this up here and show you quickly how I wrap this up again. I just follow the same steps here. Use some sellotape. I'm getting myself a few strips ready. That's the best thing to do as well, have them ready. That's the best thing to do as well, have these ready, and then you hold it here and you fold it over and wrap it up. Very easy, simple. If you have a really big box and you run out of wrapping paper, like it doesn't fit the box, then you could also put some of the wrapping paper inside sort of the middle, and then or sort of on the sides, and then fold some wrapping paper over it on top. You just then have to use a bit more sellotape to tape this wrapping paper together. But yeah, I'm just following here quickly the steps like before. Very simple, very easy. And here you can actually see the edge is a bit longer. So when you fold it over like so here and like so, then here you just fold it in and then down a few times and like so, and you put the tape on top. So yeah, nicely wrapped, and it's safe, it won't come through the paper. And now I will just make another little card that goes on top of this, just the same. Make it in the shape of a card, cut out the paper, and then tape it on the corner with the sellotape to the present and write the name of the recipients. So I hope you found this video on how to wrap a present or a gift useful, and I wish your recipients all the best with their presents, and I hope you enjoy giving them.